So we're back. Here we have this charging port of a Samsung laptop that got damaged. It pulled out from the wire pulled out from the source. So I had to solder it back and put it to the right polarities. It's actually an old Samsung system. The hinges have actually worn out. So I think by opening and pulling and trying to put together this charging port stopped working and it was disconnected. So the customer has to bring it to us via fixed up. So we are here to fix the badge parts, just to join them together with solder. So finish soldering it, so I had to return it back to the system and see if what we did would work. Obviously it will work because the solder was well fitted in and we soldered it properly. So now let's connect our charger and see if it will come up. And if you observe keenly on the screen, I'm going to turn on the system now to see if our Samsung logo will appear. So let's watch and see as we test run this charging ports. So now let's power up the system. Okay, first we have to return the RAM back to the system. If not, it won't display. So connect our charger back and see if this connection worked. Power on, so the power is up. You can see the flickering of the charger. So see, it's up. Then our Samsung logo